Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. Oh my God, nearly 25 years into this new century. Doesn't seem that new anymore. So 2024, what's to come? Well, I hope that everyone survived all the rain and the things that have been happening over the storms over the Christmas period, and everyone's had a safe and happy new year. We have had some damage at both our Nagambie and Romsey offices, so you'll have to bear with us if that affects any appointments or anything. Just rain really coming through roofs and skylights and things like that. So a little bit of insurance damage to cover and all of those things. Now, today's topic was all about learning the rules for lending money to friends and family. So just in case you're thinking of doing it, or you have only just done it over the Christmas period, perfect time to then go back and make sure that these things are taken care of. Now, what we really don't like is when someone comes to us years down the track and says, I lent such and such to my child or my nephew or my friend to do whatever, and I was expecting it back, and now it's breaking down the relationship. And no, there was nothing in writing. So there's not much that we can do as lawyers in that situation. Why? Contract Law 101 says that there has to be an intention to have a binding contract between parties before there can be one. And it's not presumed that there would be such a legal intention between friends or family. Hence, by doing something verbally between friends or family, a contract doesn't naturally arise. It only arises if there is actually something in writing. Now, email exchanges to that effect is enough for there to be in writing. Sometimes text message exchanges would be enough because it's in writing, it's evidence, confirming that it's a loan, confirming when it's supposed to be repaid. Those would be the minimum things that you would require to have it as an enforceable loan. So what do you do if you're lending money to friends or family? Well, put it in writing. Just have the text exchange or the email exchange would be enough. But if you really want to, you come to us and we can do an acknowledgement of debt. If you've already made the loan and things are still going okay, we can put a single page document in place acknowledging the debt, confirming that it is actually due to be repaid and when that is and what the terms are, if there's interest or not or whatever. Or if you're planning to do it, we can do a simple deed of loan. It's a couple of pages long. It can be with or without security. So you can have the right to put a caveat on their property if you want to or not. You don't have to. You can have it without interest. You can have it with interest. You could say the interest doesn't apply until this thing happens. Or you could have some kind of payment installments arrangements to start from a certain time. We can do anything you want, but it has to be in writing, or there's nothing we can do about it later. So I've done this video for about 4 years in a row. Please do not come to us saying, I've lent money to friends or family. They haven't paid it back. What do I do? Because if you have nothing in writing, there's nothing that we can do. So wake up call for the start of the year. Let's do things well. Let's not create problems later for ourselves. Yes, things are done happily in a relationship to help someone out when things are all good and well. But if it's not clear, it can destroy a relationship. We don't want those things happening. But lawyers don't have magic wands. So please help us at the beginning to help you. I hope you have a really great new year. I will be back doing these lives every Monday at 10, so get used to that again. If you have any topics you want me to cover or a question you want me to answer, please let me know. Otherwise, you can go to our website or email admin and just, let me know what your question is, and I can do that for free on Mondays at 10 here live on Facebook. Now we have hundreds of videos on this page. On the videos tab, It's a good place to start if you have a legal problem. So go back through and have a look there. If it's relevant for anyone you know, please tag their name in the comments or send it to them via Messenger. Again, Happy New Year, and I'll catch you next Monday.